Hello everyone, my name is Veronica Garza. I'm an immigration attorney. Today I would like to give you an update on DACA and what happened after the Supreme Court decision on June 18th that stated that the Department of Homeland Security did not comply with certain requirements at the time of rescinding DACA. After that decision, many of us were left with questions of what to do next. Could we file initial applications? Could we continue to file DACA since there were long periods of time that we filed applications and we were not getting receipt notices and different things? So yes, we had a lot of questions. And after waiting for a very long time, more than a month later, finally, on July 28th, Chad Wolf, the acting Secretary of Homeland Security, finally issued a memorandum regarding the adjudication of DACA applications. He concluded, and I quote, that the DACA policy at a minimum presents serious policy concerns that may warrant its full rescission. At the same time, he concluded that fully rescinding the policy would be a significant administration decision that warrants additional careful consideration. And obviously, we have to think that a lot of our DACA holders are working in the medical field and they are doing incredible work with the COVID-19 pandemic. So they considered all these things and how it would affect thousands of people if DACA were rescinded today. And so therefore, he decided to make immediate changes to the DACA policy. And these 3 points are 3 very important things that you need to remember if you're a DACA holder. Number 1, they will not accept any initial requests for DACA. And so if there were any pending since the decision of the Supreme Court on June 18th to this point, those are going to be rejected. U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services was advised to return the filing fees, but unfortunately, those initial DACA applications will be rejected. Number 2, advance parole will be granted only if there exists exceptional circumstances. And once again, if there were any applications for advance parole after the Supreme Court's decision, those will also be rejected. And unless there are exceptional circumstances and we don't have any information on what that exactly looks like. And number 3, DACA renewals and work authorizations will be granted for 1-year periods rather than the usual 2-year periods. So this is a big deal. And unfortunately, even if the benefit will only be valid for 1 year, the filing fees will remain the same. Until further notice, because they could actually announce at any moment that filing fees will be increasing. So we will have to look out for that. So what does all this mean for DACA holders? It means that for now, DACA continues to exist in a very limited capacity, of course, nothing like it was before. And a new and final decision on its existence could actually come at any moment. We don't know if it's going to happen anytime soon. We don't know if they are going to wait days, months, or maybe even after the elections. We don't know. This is all we know for now. For now, it continues in a very limited capacity. And so we have to work with what we have. And at the end of the day, if we want to see an actual permanent change, maybe a pathway to residency for DACA holders, for our dreamers, Congress will need to act. They will have to act. And so the future of DACA, it's really in Congress's hands. For now, we're going to keep watching. We're going to keep waiting to see what the final decision is, and we will inform you as soon as we have more information. But if you are a DACA holder and you have questions about this memorandum and how it affects your case, please call our office, 817-642-5848. We'll be more than happy to help you in answering your questions and guiding you through this process. We're hoping that DACA is not only here to stay, but we're hoping that soon enough there will be a permanent change, something that will actually lead to residency and citizenship for all the DACA holders, for all the dreamers. We can only hope. We continue to pray for that. But meanwhile, we are here to help you. So we look forward to meeting with you, and we look forward to new changes, and we will keep you posted. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.